Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find sum of digit of a number without recursion. So let's start this. In the first line, this defines a function called number sum that takes one argument number. This function will compute the sum of the digit of the given number. Now, in the second line, here we initialize a variable total to 0. This will store the running total of the sum of the digits. Now, in the third line, this line takes the absolute value of number using the absolute function. This ensures that if the user enters a negative number, it is converted into positive equivalent before summing the digits. Now, in the next line, this begins a while loop that will continue as long as number is greater than 0. The loop extracts each digit from the rightmost side of the number. Now here number percentage 10 gives the last digit of the current value of number. The percentage 10 operation returns the remainder when the number is divided by 10, which is the rightmost digit. This digit is then added to the total using plus is equals to number. Now in the next line, number divided by 10 removes the last digit from number. This is done using integer division, which divides number by 10 and stores the result back in number. In the next line, once the while loop finishes, the total variable contains the sum of all digits. The function returns total. In the next line, this prompts the user to enter a number. Input reads the input as string and int converts the string to an integer. The next line, the number sum function is called with the input number and the returned sum of digits is stored in the result variable. In the last line, this prints the sum of digit using an F string. The original number and the computed result are displayed in this format that the sum of the digit of number is the result is printed. So let's check this. I am entering 78. Hence the sum of the digit of 78 is 15. Means 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. So thanks for watching this video.